This video will show you how to add an offer to your website using Mortar. So from the dashboard, I'm going to click on this choice here to add an offer. When I click on this, I get the option to fill out the information about my offer. So offers are used for basically when you're doing promotions and sales at your store. You would use this section. So let's just say that I'm going to call this my grand opening deal. And in here, I'm going to say $5 off every purchase made during our grand opening celebration. Okay, so there's my offer. So it's an optional link here too if I want to link to additional content, maybe in my blog, or if I wanted to link to another website. That's totally up to you if you want to link somewhere with it. It gives you the option to add kind of a call to action there or a link for more information. I can choose whether this is available just in my store or online only or in my store only. I'm going to put this one, I'm just going to put in store only for this. And I'm going to say that it's valid. So I remember I set up my grand opening event. I'm going to say it's only valid during my grand opening event. So 1 p.m. and I'm going to say it's only valid through that same day, which we know my grand opening is going until 5 p.m., my theoretical grand opening. So now it has valid from Saturday at 1, Saturday at 5, $5 off your purchase, and display immediately or display after valid from date. So this is really a good option here for a lot of people when they're doing their promotions. You may or may not want to show the offer before it's available. So in my instance, I probably would want to show this offer, so display immediately on my website so that people can see that I'm going to have this offer coming up with my grand opening. But you may just say, hey, here's a coupon I want to run next month. Don't have it start until the 1st of next month. So then you would wait until it's the actual time that the coupon's valid and then have it start then. You can put in an offer code. So if you're using Shopify and making it available online, you could use the offer code that Shopify gives you, like the discount code that somebody can use at checkout. You can associate it with a specific barcode if to avoid confusion about which product perhaps you're offering the discount on. And then if there's any disclaimer that you want to add, like limit 1 per customer, that's a common one, limit 1 per customer, you could add that in here as well. And then with some advanced options, again, you could show the dates or choose to hide the dates, and then you can manage your search engine listings with this as you can with the other modules. So I'll just save this now, and we have an offer. Click over to check it out, and it says that there's not currently any active offers. Check back soon. So let's see this. Oh, I changed that. We wanted to display that immediately. All right, so now we can see that my coupon's there. So you can see how powerful that tool is as to whether or not it gets displayed. You can see in-store only, coupon, when it's valid. This is my grand opening deal. If I click on it, you can see here's the coupon or the offer, rather, $5 off and limit 1 per customer. The disclaimer is in there as well. So really nice, quick, easy way to add a offer to your Shopify website using the Mortar app.